everyone, it's Tammy and I have a package here and I think it says to pull here to open it. I'm not doing a very good job of it. Whew, okay. Yay! I was hoping that this is what this was, but I wasn't sure yet. This, I believe, is my knitting journal. Oh, look how cute! More time to knit, and it has a little cover knitted. The clever paper planner for your crafty life. Yay! And it's Strickplaner. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly or not, but I will try to remember to leave a link below. That's like thick tissue paper. It's very interesting. I mean, you can hear how much different that is from regular tissue paper, but let's just go ahead and throw it away. Whew, okay. So I got a bag, which is really cute. It says Strickplaner. It's a project bag, so it will hold a small project. It's not, you know, it's just a basic bag, nothing special. It's not lined. It doesn't have pockets or anything. Similar to one that I would make, but probably way better. But I don't know. Mine was all right. I don't want to be mean to myself. It was a good little thing. But this is a pretty color. And then I got some stickers to go with it. Oh, looks like they sent me, I don't know, maybe an extra sheet. I'm not sure. Or maybe I ordered it that way. So I got the Strickplaner in English, and then I got the organic project bag. This was only $10, and this was $15. And then I got sticker sheets, and it looks like I got 3 sticker sheets. So maybe that's, they just, I don't know what they did. Put 2 in here and 1 over there. Feels like, yeah, it looks like they sent me 4 sticker sheets. So I got that going for me. And I'm dying to look at this. It's a hardback book. And it's gray. I don't even remember if there was a choice of colors. I kind of don't think so. But it's got pretty pink strap and pink writing. And it's got pink on the inside. More time to knit. Oh, how cute. Smells a little funny, which is kind of cool. I mean, it smells like paper. Has a sheet for your personal information. And then using your Strickplaner, it tells you like how to do it. It says to plan your week, plan and document your knitting. Oh, there's different measurements and time zones. And then this is kind of cool. It has the whole calendar listed. That's kind of cool. And then this tells you the week, I'm assuming. Yes. How neat is that? That's pretty cool. I like that. And then so that's 2019, and it even goes into 2020. So I can write birthdays in there. I can write whatever. How cool. I'm liking that. I'm kind of wondering what I will write in there. I could write my YouTube videos in there or projects that I start. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to write project starts and maybe ends. Okay, and then here's goals, and this is for the entire year. Personal goals, yearly life, family, friends, volunteering, work, creative goals, and then it has, this is for 2019, and then here's 2020, 2021, 22, 20, so this is medium, and then this is long term, up to 7 years. And then here's quarterly, so here's quarter 1, things that you want to do, motivation, kickoff, finish, milestone, conference, meeting. So this would be really good for lots of different things. It would definitely not have to be knitting. This is kind of neat. I could write down some knitting things that I'm doing, and I could put like how long it's taking me, and you can fill in the dates. I'm going to have to get one of these earlier for next year too, if I like it, and I think I will. I'm like really excited about it. It even has like some advertisement pretty planner stickers with original artwork, 19% off all week. Use the code HAPPY19 in this first week of January. So that's already come and gone, but kind of cool. So it has all of the weeks. And I'm going to see what this is. Oh, so it's divided into quarters. So this one must be quarter 2, and then quarter 3, and all the weeks, and here's quarter 4. And then there is a week 1 of January for 2020, yearly reflection of 2019, lessons learned in 2019, some goals, a spot for notes, knitting project overview. So here are knitting project 1 through 22. And then here is a timeline for knitting. And then here are some ideas. Oh, I love that. And then here are, you can write down the details. You can write when you started, when you finished. This is really nice. And I want to see how many projects it gives you. It only goes to 22, which I say only because I think I will do more than that. Oh, it tells you how to make this little knitted cover. Yarn purchases. Oh, shoot. We all know that's not enough. 54. Shoot. Wish list. That's nice. Knitting books, accessories, fiber festivals, retreats and knit nights, knitting podcasts and blogs. I'll put mine first. Yarn stores and online shops. And then here's sizes and measurements of the of your favorite people to knit for. How cool is that? And then here are some lists and indexes and notes. So this could be used as more projects. And then it has graph paper here, weeklies, like bullet pointed pages, graph pages. So this is really cool. And then it has the dotted pages. And then here's a spot for contacts. And then it has a schedule, like if you were in school or something. A, B, C, and D, some phone numbers and stuff. And it says there's time for everything. The week view project started with the awareness of the 7-day week, blah, blah, blah. You know, you can read all of that. Planner stickers featuring the original artwork and illustrator Julie Levesky. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but pretty. And then Sustainable Luxury, just some advertisements. Miss Babs. And then here is the equivalent of needle sizes, and there's even a little ruler here that goes up to 7 inches. So this is really cute. I am really liking it. And the stickers, I think they're neat because you can, you know, put on here that you started a shawl, for example, or you started, I don't know, a sweater or whatever. You can use these however you want, and they will fit nicely in these boxes, it looks like. You could just put them right there if you wanted. I don't know. I'm going to read some more about it. I'm going to, because I'm a nerd like that, I will read all of their little ideas on how to use it. Because now that I'm at my initial glance, this back part is the part that I was really wanting. All of these knitting pages. This is what I am excited about. Because I have a planner, I'm not so sure that this is as exciting to me because I don't know if I would have to do things twice. I don't want to have to write my ideas down here or my timeline here and then also go back and do it in here. But I'm not sure yet, so I'm going to have to figure it out. But I do like this idea. I like it a lot. So I am excited, and it's a whole knitting planner. I mean, how cool is that for us knitters? Crazy. Oh, and then that's nice that it says 2019 there, and then you can just have them in your bookcase after, you know, after the year has passed. And so I am excited. I think this was a great purchase, and I'm already planning on ordering another one for 2020 because I am liking it that much. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.